Hi Wildtree friends, this is for all of my VIP customers and friends. I want to show you the new way to make Wildtree meal prepping simple. I mean, you thought you had the easy button before. This is like easy button. So I can usually put together my 10 meals in about 25 minutes. It's crazy. So what it is your Wildtree workshop kit that we've always had, but now I'm working with a butcher who will cut all of your meat, cut all of your veggies, and ship it straight to your door. So you don't even have to go to the grocery store anymore. So I want to unbox what I got today because I'm putting together a meal plan today. So I want to show you guys what that looks like. So here's my box. The company's name is Preslicely, and I have a special link that I can send you so you can get a good deal. So I'm going to open this up. It's got tips for how to unpack your order and then everything that I ordered. Now some of the workshop kits that you order from Preslicely actually come with meat and veggies all done for you. A couple of them don't have the veggies yet. This is a new product and they're testing it, so the more people that use it, then they're going to do all of the workshop kits. So about half of them are done right now. Okay, so let's unbox this here. Awesome. They've sent me all of my Ziploc bags that I need to make my meals. So just like I did before, I will number these 1 through 10 to put those to make my meals. And then, this is amazing. I've done this is probably my 4th kit, you guys, that I've done. So the mushrooms that I need, and it tells me where that goes. I have my tomatoes, everything I need. My 2 eggs comes already done for me. All I have to do is cut these open and dump them into the appropriate bag. And I know that bag because it comes in the Wildtree Workshop kit as my prep kit. So again, this has everything in it. Artichokes, the 5 tablespoons of coconut flour I need for this menu, my lemons that are already chopped for me, zucchini and squash that's already chopped, onion, and it's also chopped the way that the recipe calls for. So if it says diced, it would be diced. If it's cut for like kebabs, then it's cut for kebabs. So everything is done for you. This is amazing. I love it, love it, love it. Green bell peppers, I mean, everything's in here. And it's all packed with ice, so it stays fresh just for you. All right, I'm getting down to the meat portion of it. As you can see, here are the diced onions. So it's different than the chopped onions, so it'll go in a different recipe. And then I've got all of my meat done for me. I have shrimp, I have cod, everything is in here. My chicken, and you know when it calls for a whole chicken and you're like, how do I cut this bad boy up? Well, they do it for you. You don't even have to worry about it. I mean, you guys, it does not get any easier than this. And you can pick on your meat, you can pick the value pack, you can pick an all-natural option, or you can pick an organic option. So depending on what your family's goals are, it can work for you. I've had a couple of customers, like one friend went to the store and bought all their stuff and chopped it and prepped it, and then another friend ordered from Preslicely, and the friend that ordered from Preslicely spent $15 more, that's it, $15 to have everything cut, chopped, and sent to their house. So it was amazing. And next time the friend that went to the store is going to be using Preslicely instead. So ground turkey, just everything is in here ready to go for all 10 of my meals. And remember, you're going to have leftover Wildtree spices so that you can make the meals again. So if you want to order the meat again, you can do that when you're ready. But what I have been doing since probably mid-December into the new year is literally I have been using freezer meals every single night, and it has made our dinner time just be awesome, easy. I don't even have to think about it. I'm prepping 2 weeks of meals at one time. I'm spending about maybe 10 minutes in the grocery store if I even have to go in a week just to get some side items and like milk, things like that that you might need. So anyway, I am super pumped. And I hope you guys are too. So watch out. I'm going to probably do a special coming up in the next week where you order a workshop kit and you can try Precisely. And if you post a picture and tag me in it, then I will give you a little discount. So love it, love it, love it. Hope you guys do too. I just want to share this with you because it is amazing. We'll see you next time.